Welcome to today's review, where we dive deep into one of the rarest and most exclusive Maseratis ever built, the Maserati 5000 GT. This is not just any Maserati. It was built for royalty, celebrities, and the ultra-elite, combining Italian craftsmanship with raw V8 power. Let's take a closer look at its history, exterior, interior, performance, and market value. The Maserati 5000 GT was first introduced in 1959 as a custom-built Grand Tourer for the Shah of Iran, Mohammad Reza Pahlavi. Maserati took the powerful 5-liter V8 from the 450S race car and placed it in a luxurious chassis. Only 34 of these cars were ever built, each uniquely designed by the world's top coach builders, including Carrozzeria Touring, Pininfarina, Bertone, and Alemanno. Starting with the exterior, the Maserati 5000 GT is a masterpiece of design. Depending on the coach builder, the car featured unique styling elements, but all versions had an elongated hood, elegant proportions, and an unmistakable presence. The Alemanno-bodied version became the most recognized with its long front grille, sleek profile, and quad headlights that gave it an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The bodywork was handcrafted, making every panel flow seamlessly, creating a timeless silhouette. The chrome detailing around the windows and bumpers added to the luxury appeal, while the wire-spoke wheels and Maserati Trident emblem solidified its exclusivity. Now, stepping inside, the Maserati 5000 GT exudes pure luxury. The interior was fully customized for each buyer, featuring hand-stitched leather upholstery, polished wood trims, and an elegantly designed dashboard. The seats were large, comfortable, and built for long-distance grand touring. The instrument cluster was a blend of classic analog dials, providing vital information with a touch of vintage charm. Depending on the owner's specifications, the car could be equipped with high-end materials including gold-plated switches, bespoke door panels, and custom steering wheels. Despite being a high-performance machine, it didn't compromise on comfort, making it a true luxury grand tourer of its era. Under the hood, the Maserati 5000 GT was a beast. Powered by a 5-liter V8 producing around 325 horsepower, it was capable of reaching a top speed of over 170 max, making it one of the fastest road cars of its time. The engine was paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering smooth yet powerful acceleration. With its race-bred origins, the 5000 GT provided an exhilarating driving experience. The handling was well balanced for a grand tourer, with a double wishbone front suspension and a live rear axle, allowing it to glide effortlessly on highways while still offering precise control. The braking system, though not as advanced by today's standards, was effective for its era, featuring large drum brakes to manage its high-speed capabilities. Now, let's talk about its price. Back in the 1960s, the Maserati 5000 GT was one of the most expensive cars in the world, often costing over $17,000, a price tag that rivaled the most luxurious Ferraris and Rolls-Royces of the time. Today, due to its rarity and historical significance, the 5000 GT commands prices in the millions. Depending on the model, condition, and coach builder, auction prices range from $1,500,000 to over $3 million. Owning one is not just about having a classic Maserati, it's about possessing a piece of automotive history. The Maserati 5000 GT is more than just a car. It's a symbol of exclusivity, a fusion of luxury and performance, and a timeless masterpiece crafted for the elite. Whether admired in a collection or driven on special occasions, it remains one of the most iconic and sought-after Maseratis ever built. Let us know in the comments what you think about this rare gem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more legendary car reviews.